Hi everyone, this is Business Law 2. My name is Jeremy Railton and I'll be your instructor. If you've gotten to this course, you've probably taken Business Law 1, and if you did that here at Gaston College, this course is going to look very familiar to you because the structure is essentially the same as Business Law 1. The first place you land is announcements, where you'll see this by the time you log in. The next place is the syllabus, where you can see all the stuff you're used to seeing in the syllabus, my contact information. The book is the same that we used for Business Law 1. If you have a hard copy, keep using it. If you still have some digital access, keep using it. If you want to buy the access card from the bookstore, go ahead. If you want to rent directly from Pearson, you can use this link here in the syllabus to take you out to that page. As with all courses at Gaston College, if you're keeping up with the due dates here, you don't have to worry about attendance. It's only if you start falling behind, you have to keep in mind that if you don't participate for 21 consecutive days, I have to withdraw you. Don't really want that to happen. So reach out to me if life is happening to you and you're falling behind. Last day to withdraw is April 11th. The way your grade is calculated is the same as it was in Business Law 1, with written assignments being half your grade, the other half being broken down into 30% for chapter quizzes, 10% each for the midterm and final exam. We operate on the same 10-point scale where 90 to 100 is an A, and so on. I also have the same late work policy here that I did in Business Law 1, where you can do work late. There's a penalty of 10 points per calendar day, and you can only do it up to 6 days late, after which assignments are closed and can't be reopened anymore. May or may not have encountered this policy. I created a new policy for AI use, which basically means that I don't want anybody to be using AI for this course. You have plenty of information in the textbook, the lesson notes, my videos, the sources that are linked within the notes, and the assignment instructions. So we're trying to train your brain how to process this information and reach conclusions and make decisions rather than outsourcing that to a machine. If somebody hands in an assignment that looks like it was generated by AI, I'll just assign that a 0 and then prompt you to contact me. We can then discuss it, and it may be that I made a mistake and then we have no issue, but we'll take it from there. Going back into the course, the course entry quiz is found in that area. Again, this is very important just to do. You might want to just pause the video and go do it now. It'll take you like 3 or 4 minutes. You don't have to know anything, but it's very important because it registers your entry into the class. You aren't dropped. Course information, you'll find the course schedule. Go ahead and download this. Put all these due dates into your personal calendar so that you don't forget or fall behind or miss a due date or whatever. I try to follow a general pattern of all the assignments being due on Wednesdays, but pay very close attention just in case there's a deviation. For example, the final exam deviates from that, so I put an asterisk here just denoting that it is different. So keep that in mind. So we've done all that. You can look at my faculty information. It's redundant. It's the same thing that you'll find in the syllabus. And then launching into the course material. The structure will be very similar to what you've seen already. You jump into a chapter, you got learning objectives, you got the PowerPoints, you got a lecture video where I talk you through the material. You can do a practice quiz if you want. Just keep in mind that does not count as part of your grade. It's just a practice quiz. The real assignments are found in the assignments folders. You click in there. Now, it's not going to show the assignments yet. Until you do the course entry quiz. So let me pause and then get to another space where you can actually see the assignments. Okay, so we jumped ahead a little bit, but this is what the assignments look like. It shouldn't be a surprise to anybody. Again, looks the same as it did in Business 115. For textbook information, if you're having difficulty registering your access card that you bought at the bookstore, there are detailed instructions here that walk you through how to do that. So just go step by step. It's a little bit of a process the first time, but once you've done it, then it's incredibly easy to just jump right back into the book from that point on. So just bear with the process first time, and then it'll be much more convenient just to jump right into the book and pick up where you left off. The rest of the links you're probably familiar with already, having gone through some classes here at Gaston College. So I'm going to keep this video nice and short. If you have questions or if you need help, please reach out to me. I love talking to students, especially about course material, but I'm more than willing to meet with you virtually or on campus if you want some help navigating the course or just learning how to do some general things. So I am a resource. I am full-time at Gaston College. It's pretty easy to contact me through email. So do that, and I'll do my best to help. With that, I'll let you get to it. Let's all have a great semester.